Heritage Auctions will be launching here in a few days the Florida Fun auction show, which begins on the 9th. But there were two coins that I highlighted on this video that are of significant note because they're both the same coin. However, these are varieties that we look for routinely in pocket change. And two examples that I'm almost guaranteed came out of rolls or pocket change are on this significant once a year show. Again, it's hosted by Heritage Auctions, and it is indeed the 1969 S double die obverse Lincoln cent. This is the one that we long for and that we dream for of finding. This example that you see here, coming up, is obviously not a brand new coin. This one has passed through many hands. If you can imagine someone spending this coin on their favorite cup of coffee, or trying to make change at a restaurant, or at the hardware store, you better believe that this coin right here with a PCGS price guide value of $24,000 is truly a lottery find in any sense of the word. So let me tell you a little bit about this one. Okay, this one is a PCGS graded AU55. Again, this one undoubtedly came out of circulation at one point. You could see some of the goop and gunk on here that lends to its originality, which I think is pretty neat. And to find a coin in this kind of condition for, what could conceivably be life-changing money is remarkable in terms of, the treasure hunt, the thrill of the hunt, so to speak, of going through your change. So this one right here is lot number 4366. If you wanted to go ahead and check it out for yourself and monitor it, this one is certainly worthwhile. This one currently has a bid of $7,800, so you could do advanced bidding on this ahead of the live auction, which takes place beginning January 9th. So this is the first example. The second one, oh boy, this one is beautiful for a coin that has seen very little circulation wear. This one is a PCGS Mint State 63. It's a brown, even though it has some coloring on there. This one's straight graded. It is also CAC certified, which is designated by that little green sticker that you see on the slab label. This one is lot number 4367. This one currently has a bid of $24,000. Now, the bidding values I've given you to this point includes the buyer's premium. So, this example here has a PCGS price guide value of $62,500. If you can imagine all the things that you can do with $62,000, it's life-changing money, and it just goes to show you, do not overlook these coins in your change. You might be cracking open, your piggy banks and looking for this coin. Diagnostically speaking, okay, this coin sticks out like a sore thumb. If you looked at the front of the coin, you thought maybe you were going blind, because the doubling is about as strong as you could get, short of the 1955 coin that we all learn to love and know to this point. In God We Trust, Liberty, the date. Yeah, this is the coin that you're going to be looking for, and it's the strongest doubled die that you could find in the Lincoln Memorial cent. Okay, the 1972 comes really close, but I would say that this coin right here is iconic in that it is the rarity, that is the chase piece, and the insane reason that people like you and I, or anyone else that does coin roll hunting, trugs down to the bank and picks up 4 boxes of Lincoln Cents in the hopes of finding something like this. So, in summation, check it out. HA.com. It's Heritage Auctions. It's their Florida Fun auction, which begins on the 9th and runs through the 14th. So they're going to do 4 days of auction, live online auctions, you know, and the first day will undoubtedly be the rarities. Okay, so these 2 coins fall under that. You'll be able to see what the final hammer price will be, and I'll keep you guys updated on any record-breaking setting type of closings on these, because the coin market's beginning to pick up. I could see it right now. You know, I would not be surprised that these 2 examples ended up at a strong hammer price. So we'll see. Exciting stuff. Thank you guys again for joining in this morning on you know, this auction thing. Yeah, it's crazy. I wish I could find one of these. I've never found the 69S, in spite of the amount of raw coinage I go through on a weekly basis. It's pretty crazy. But hope you guys enjoyed this auction preview for the Heritage Auctions Florida Fun. As always, the best way that you could support my channel, simply hit the like button. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe already. Why don't you? It's a lot of fun, and we talk more great finds like this. And I love talking about how much money that these coins can fetch and have sold. And, you know, you guys will too. So I appreciate your guys' time. And as always, keep hunting, and I'll talk to you soon.